Hello, Chicky Chickens! Today we will learn a new letter sound. But before that, I want to play one game with the sounds. Can you play with me? You know this game very well. I hope you remember it. So, are you ready to revise all the letter sounds? Let's do it. The first one. It's A. W. G. M. N. A. K. F. I. V. Ng. L. J. R. E. X. E. P. Ch. B. S. Y. Z. E. R. O. 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 T. T. O. And now it's time for the new letter sound.
Shh.
Please listen the story and hear the new letter sound.
Mrs. Shaw has just had a baby. The baby is called Shannon. Sam is her elder brother. He thinks she is all right, but she cries a lot. While his mother tries to get Shannon to sleep, Sam goes and plays with his toys. He plays in his shop with his cash register. It makes a very loud ting when the cash drawer opens. Shh, whispers Mrs. Shaw, putting her finger to her lips. Shannon is nearly asleep. Let's go downstairs for a while. Okay, says Sam, adding shh as they tiptoe quietly from the room.
So you heard the new sound is shh. Can you see carefully the picture and tell me what is start or have in with this sound? Like this is sheep. Bravo. This is what the boy make. This is Sam's shop, and this is cash. So good. Also, what is this? It's also start with sheep. Bravo. And these are shoes. So good. Also here we have something for books. Can you say what is? Shelf. So good. And now let's listen to the song.
Hush, 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 don't make a sound. Be as quiet as you can be. The baby's asleep and I'm tired out. Shh, 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 shh.
So the new letter sound is sh. You know these two letters. So now let's see how to write it. We start with letter